Freehand sketching, for instance on a whiteboard or piece of paper, is a valuable technique frequently used in software engineering. Engineers value the flexibility and expressiveness of simply picking up a pen and drawing incomplete sketches in arbitrary mixes of notations and styles. However, freehand-drawn diagrams about a piece of software, such as in a whiteboard sketch, are disconnected from the depicted source code. In this short video, we demonstrate a technique for using virtual reality to create freehand sketches on software structures that are directly connected with the source code of a depicted software system. To achieve that, our method extends virtual reality software visualizations with a virtual whiteboard, on which engineers can freely draw and pin software elements from the visualization around them. Our method automatically interprets engineers' sketches and augments them with additional information. As a result, engineers are provided with information on the conformance between their sketches and the ground truth source code. Our method is embedded into virtual reality software visualization. Here we integrated it into a visualization for Java systems, and I'm holding a class now. I can attach this class to the whiteboard, which creates a small pin for it. Our method automatically displays relation lines between pins, where the respectively pinned elements have references to one another. Furthermore, each pin provides a user interface. Here I can inspect a list of other classes that reference the pin class. Over here, I have the same for other classes that the pinned class references. I can also pin folders to a whiteboard. In that case, the pin's user interface offers a split operation that replaces the folder's pin with pins for all its constituents. Our method tries to find a layout where heavily interconnected child pins are placed as neighbors into clusters with noticeable gaps. At any time, I can pick up a pen and freely sketch on the whiteboard. Our method then interprets what I have drawn based on different drawing modes. In the module outlining mode, my pen strokes are interpreted as outlines around pins on the whiteboard. Thereby, I can arrange pins into what we call modules. In the relation arrow drawing mode, my pen strokes are interpreted as arrows between previously drawn modules. Note how the relation lines between pins change their color with respect to the freehand drawn arrow. Lastly, I can enter an uninterpreted sketching mode, for instance to draw icons or text. I can undo and redo changes to the whiteboard at any time, as well as increase its size should I require more, or duplicate it with all its content. Our method mirrors the freehand sketches made in VR over to an IDE, where they can be viewed and interacted with. I can pan around the whiteboard here, zoom in and out, and click on pins to open their respective files.